What if I told you that just 5 tiny habits could completely change your life in 2026? Not next month, not next year, but starting today. Let's begin. 1. Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Just 15 minutes can give you a head start that most people never take. Use it to stretch, breathe, or plan your day. A small shift, but a powerful long-term change. 2. 1 page a day. Reading 1 page won't drain your time, but it will grow your mind. Knowledge compounds, like money, slowly at first, then all at once. 3. Clean your space for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is nothing, but it keeps chaos away. A clean environment clears your mind and boosts your productivity. 4. Walk for 10 minutes, not for fitness, but for clarity. These 10 minutes can reset your mood, reduce stress, and improve your creativity. 5. Write 1 sentence before sleep, not a journal. Just 1 sentence. About your day, your feeling, or your thoughts. This tiny habit builds self-awareness, and self-awareness builds a better life. Small habits create big changes. Start today, and let 2026 become the year you transform.